Hello, Elle will show you the assembly steps of Magic Shop Electronics set. Pick E5, the electronic kit, fasten the speaker to E5 with screws and nuts. Pick A1 to 6, A1 for 9, then assemble them. Take out the spring and apply it with glue, then assemble. Pick A147, A1 for 8, fix the spring in the corresponding position. Glue the spring in place. Pick D1 to D13, then assemble. Pick E1 and E2 for assembly. Assemble them in the corresponding position. Pick E3, E for E6, E7, then assemble them. The red and white light lines are fixed to the bottom plate with the assembly. Pick D for D5 and fix the wire to the corresponding position. Pick the floor and thread the 2 LED lights through the corresponding position. Pick the floor, then assemble. Pick A109 and assemble the lead into the A109 groove. Pick C40, assemble the C37 component, the lamp component, and thread the LED lamp through in turn. Pick A10 for A88, A9 to A105, then assemble. Rotate to the back and pick B1, liquid crystal bottle. Note that the protective film of the liquid crystal bottle needs to be removed first. Pick B13, then assemble. Pick B11, B1 to B19, then assemble. Pay attention to pattern orientation. Pick B4, B18, B23, B24, B25, B26 for assembly. Assemble them in the corresponding position. Pick B10, then assemble. Thread the wire through the corresponding position below B1. Pick B14, B16, B17, B22 for assembly. Assemble them in the corresponding position. Pick the assembled C73 and assemble it in the corresponding position. Put the lights into place. Splice the back plate onto the bottom plate. Rotate clockwise. Pick the pointy screw and fix it to the corresponding position with a screwdriver. Pick B15, then assemble. Rotate counterclockwise. Pick the assembled bookshelf, then assemble. Pick the assembled bird cage, then assemble. Pick E30, then assemble. Pick E31, the assembled C4, then assemble. Pick D15, then assemble. Pick scene, then assemble. Pick the pointy screw and fix scene. Pick the assembled bracket and put it in the corresponding position. Note that the short side is facing up. Pick C2, C3, then assemble. Pick the assembled table, then assemble. Pick the knob, then assemble. Pick the rubber, then assemble. Complete the assembly of the Magic Shop Electronics kit.